Some of our students are ready to work on multisyllabic words. That means multiple syllables. Remember, syllable is the number of times your mouth opens because a vowel is forcing your mouth to go from open to closed. For example, in the word bat, I only have my mouth opening once because I have one vowel sound, ah. But in the word contest, my mouth opened twice. I have both the ah and the eh sound. That is the word we're going to use for an example today, contest. This is known as a closed syllable multisyllabic word, and it is a closed syllable. Okay, so again, this is the word that we're using for an example. This is a closed syllable multisyllabic word, and you will see that it is a closed syllable word because both of our syllables are going to be closed, meaning ending in a consonant and having short vowel sounds. The first thing we need to do when we get to a word like this with our students is to find the vowels and then find the consonants. I know the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Those are the letters that keep my mouth open when I say their sounds. So I am going to code those as vowels. And I know the rest are going to be consonants because they are the letters that close my mouth when I say their sounds. The patterns that our students look for to break these up into their separate syllables is V, C, C, V. And we are going to break it right in between those two consonants. Here is the first syllable, and here's the second syllable. I can code this one first, master what it says, code this one next, master what it says, blend them all together. Okay, so I am able to see that this is going to be short. That O is going to say ah. I'm going to say k, ah, n, k, on, con. And then I'm going to try this one. I notice that I have a blend here. My students box off the blend. They say st. Again, we're going to box it off and we are going to master those sounds first. St, st. And now I'm ready to say the rest. Est, est. I say it quickly, test. I can read these two together, test. Together, this word says contest. Another version of a multisyllabic word is an open syllable multisyllabic word. And that means that the first or the last syllable that we have is going to be an open or long sound. And you will see that with words like protect, okay? I'm going to code this one a little differently. I'm looking for my vowels still. I'm then looking for my consonants. But what I'm gonna look for here is I'm gonna back up from here to here, looking for my CVC. So I'm going at the end and I say, okay, I have a CVC right here, all together. I'm going to put my line right in front of it. Notice how this one ends in a vowel and not a consonant. That means that vowel gets to continue saying its name. It does not have a letter closing off our mouth to make it short. So it's going to be long. We code it with a macron. That line above is called a macron. I have two sets of blends here. I have two sets of blends here, so I am going to master those first. Purr, purr. And I say my long sound here, since it's an open syllable, does not end in a consonant. Pro, pro. My first syllable says pro. Here's my second syllable. My blend says kt, kt. We can hear those very distinctly. This E is going to be short because it ends in consonants. It's going to close our mouth. We are going to say t, act, act, tect. My word says protect, protect.